Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to start class 5 mathematics new chapter. So what is the chapter name? No, I am not going to tell you the chapter name right now. You have to identify by your own. So let's start the activation task. So students, are you ready for the activation task? Yes, I know you are very excited. So let's start the activation task. First of all, we should know what are the resources required for this activation task. You need a copy, pencil, eraser and computer or laptop. So all these four things are required to do this activity. Let's begin the activity. What you have to do in this activity? In this activity, different images will be shown to you. You have to identify the given images as 2D or 3D. 2D means two-dimensional or 3D means three-dimensional. You also have to select the correct name of the given images. So, let's start. Which shape is it? Number 1. Which shape is it? Can you guess the name of the shape? I know you can, it's very easy. Tell me the name quickly. I'm going to read the options. Circle, square or rectangle. Yes, I know you have identified the name of the shape. Number 2. Which shape is this? Pentagon, hexagon or heptagon? Have you guessed the name of the shape? Yes, I know you can guess it easily. It's very simple shape. Now number 3. Which shape is it? Cube, cuboid or cone? Have you guessed the name of the shape? Yes, I know. It's very easy for you to name this shape. Number 4. Which shape is it? Cylinder, sphere or pyramid? I know you can guess it easily. So, I hope you have guessed all the name of the shape. Now we are going to debrief our activity. So you have to give me the answer of these two questions. What have you done in this activity and what have you learned from this activity? Okay, now it's time to tell me the name of the chapter. Have you identified the name of the chapter? Yes, it's Shapes and Solids. You can see here the different pictures of the solids here. We are going to discuss different types of the shapes, 2D shapes or 3D shapes in this chapter. Now Q focus. The statement of Q focus is shapes can be 2D, two-dimensional and 3D, three-dimensional. So what you have to do in Q focus? Few instructions are given. Rules for producing question. You have to write some questions. Write 10 questions after reading the statement. Do not stop to